guys, and welcome back sa channel. Tutorial on how to buy or deposit Ethereum using your OKX wallet. Before we continue this video, like, share, subscribe on this channel para lagi kayong updated.
Hello guys, and welcome back sa video natin. Itong video na to is on how to buy Ethereum on your OKX wallet mobile app. So let's jump on that. First of all, you have to deposit. Okay, deposit ka kung wala kang kahit anong cryptocurrency on hand. So you have to deposit it. Okay, via P2P or Binance or any basta kahit basta kailangan mo mag-deposit sa kanya, tapos buy crypto. Ayan, P2P trading. By clicking on this process is by using the P2P. Yan, P2P trading. And then after mo mag P2P trading, you can buy your crypto. Okay, lalo na yung mga ng airdrop at wala kay Ethereum, you have to buy USDT. So kailangan, ayun, kita nyo, $1 ang isang USDT. So 56 something yan sa Pilipinas, Philippine peso. Kung bibili ka ng halaga ng you have to know the price ng Ethereum first bago ka mag-convert ng USDT. Tapos P2P Express, ayan na, P2P Express. Next natin, tapos ETH, kung ilan, kung gusto nyo bilhin. And then ayan na siya, ayan, sa may pinaka upper right, yung parang mga boxes sa taas, yung tuturo. Tapos convert, ayan na, USDT to, ayan, Ethereum, ayan na, convert siya. Okay, yan, ganyan lang kadaling mag-convert sa ETH, galing USDT to ETH sa OKX wallet. So if you like this short video update para sa may mga airdrop, like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para lagi kayong updated. This is Kapitan Minero saying paalam and goodbye.